Hi everyone and welcome back. Marine here for Learn Fun with an underwater scene showcasing some new supplies from summer release. For this card, I wanted to create a dream world under the sea, a kingdom that would be guarded by a giant octopus, a friendly octopus of course. So I started by making a castle. I die cut several elements using dice from the new Build a Castle die set, and I colored the pieces using distressings. I used Shaded Lilac, Picked Raspberry, Blueprint Sketch to color everything and also to create texture on the elements. Once everything was dry, I used my liquid glue and foam squares to assemble all the pieces. When the castle elements were colored and assembled, I moved on to the background. I'm still waiting for my Simline supplies. The package has been stuck in Paris for weeks, but I managed to create a slimline panel using the largest die from the large stitch 4-bar rectangle die set. It measures 8.5 by 3.5 inches. And I'm going to use the new Ocean Wave stencils to create beautiful lines on my paper along with some distressings again. From top to bottom, tumble glass, salty ocean, shaded lilac and wilted violet. I started from the top of my panel. I taped it to my glass surface so it would be more comfortable during the ink blending, and I worked my way towards the bottom, changing the stencil for each line to get more interest. Next step was to add some texture because my background was definitely too flat to me. So after I splattered water drops on the paper, I smooshed my ink pads onto my glass surface. These are the same inks as before, and I added water to the inks to create a million drops on my panel. I also wanted to add a little bit more contrast, so I took my cheap sapphire distressing pad and did the same thing as before. And I wanted those drops to be very small, so I first tapped the brush on the side before tapping it over the paper. And the last step for the texture, a fantasy kingdom needs some sparkle, or in that case a lot, so I used the liquid stardust to make the background super shiny and sparkly. Next I moved on to the coloring. I stamped my images on white cardstock using gel black ink. I used the coordinating dies to cut them all, and then used my alcohol markers to color everything. Before attaching all the elements on my panel, I still needed to stamp my sentiment. It's from You Are Sublime, and like always, I stamped it twice to get a nice impression. Next, I finished to assemble the castle right above my sentiment. I used foam tape to stick the castle and the images above it, and glue dots to stick the seaweeds on the castle. When everything was attached, I stuck my panel on a white card base, and next the last step was to add some accents to a few spots, starting with white Nouveau Drops on the octopus. Next, I added a bunch of Morning Dew Nouveau Drops all over the panel to create bubbles. And finally, I added a touch of White Blizzard Nouveau Drops on some seaweeds and also on the castle to bring more sparkles to it. And this is the final result. So what do you think? Do you think the octopus will let the scuba diver come closer so he can explore the castle? I hope you like this underwater dream world kingdom. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!